Hi, I am Dr. Moupia, eye plastic surgeon or oculoplastic surgeon practicing at Bangalore. Hooding of upper eyelid is quite common. In some, the hooding can run in families and thus can be present at a young age. In others, it is prominently seen as the years go by. This makes the eye appear smaller and overall gives an aged appearance to the upper part of the face. A very effective and efficient way of permanently correcting the same is upper lid blepharoplasty. In this, a precise amount of excess skin is removed surgically, giving you a youthful, refreshed look. Additional procedures like correction of drooping of the eyebrow or eyelid and repositioning of lacrimal gland could be combined with this procedure as required. Let's see what my patient Mrs. Paula has to say about her experience.
Namaste, my name is Paula and I'm from New Zealand. I have been living in Bangalore for 8 years and I live on Banagatta Road, and for many years I've been driving past Narayana Nethralaya frequently, and I decided to come in one day and speak to them about a problem I've been having with my eyes. And my eyelids were getting very heavy and it was very hard for me to look up, and I couldn't wear eye makeup because it would just get all smudged everywhere. So I spoke to Dr. Moupia, and after a consultation she suggested an upper blepharoplasty which removes the extra skin from my eyelids. I agreed, I trusted her, and she's done a great job and I'm very happy. So on the day of the surgery, there was no pain or anything. I just had a nice little sleep and they removed the extra skin, and then I slept for most of the day. I was home by 3 o'clock and it was fine, and then the rest of the week there was also very little pain, and while I couldn't go to the gym and go running and lift any weights, everything else like housework, looking after my toddler, all has been absolutely fine. The process has just been fantastic throughout. Dr. Moupia is kind, thoughtful, and she's been an expert at creating the best outcome for me. I'm really happy with how my eyelids look and just how much easier it is to look around. I'm excited to try makeup again soon. And also the hospital has been very efficient and very organised, and I've been very impressed at their operational processes. I would recommend this procedure and Dr. Moupia and the hospital to anybody who's looking at getting this process done. It's been amazing.
I am very happy that I could achieve the result she desired. Drop in any questions and comments and I shall be happy to answer. Thank you and have a nice day.